So, like I said, you think of a method like you did with the difference of squares. It's just a method. Difference of squares is just a method. You guys practice that in grade 9, that method. So it's the same, it's just a method. You can't get it wrong in an exam if you know the method. Okay? So the method, again, the method goes like this. You take the cube root of this. You can even check on a calculator, what's the cube root of 8? It's 2.
Yeah.
And then obviously you take the exponent and divide it by 3 when you want the cube root. Okay? So it's just going to be 2x. Okay? And then the cube root of 27y to the power 3. So the cube root of 27 is 3. So it's going to be minus 3y. Okay. So cube roots. And because it's minus, you put in the minus.
Yes.
Okay? If it's minus, you start with a minus. Now again, you square it. 2x times 2x, 4x squared. That's it. You just take the 2x and square it. Then you take the 3y and you square it. 3y times 3y, 9y squared.
9y squared.
And then lastly, you multiply them with each other. 2x times 3y is 6xy. And you put it in the middle, 6xy. And like I said, if it's a minus here, it's always going to be minus plus plus. It's part of the method. You don't have to be confused. What's the sign again? Just remember, minus, minus plus plus. And it will work out. What you can do is you can multiply the whole thing out again. And then you will see. If you simplify this whole thing, you're going to get back here again. Okay. So with this one, the cube root of 64 is 4. So it's going to be 4x. Now it's plus. So now we start with a plus. And then the cube root of 125 is 5. So it's going to be 5y. And then we square them. Okay? Write the cube root. Write the cube root. And then square them. 4x times 4x is 16x squared. 5y times 5y is 25y squared. And then when I multiply 4x times 5, I get 20xy in the middle. 20xy. And in this case, plus is going to be plus minus plus. Okay, so just remember that order of the signs. Plus, minus, plus. If it's plus, if it's minus, plus, plus. And if you forgot the order, you can't remember, was it the plus first and then a minus, if you're not sure, write in what you think it is and then multiply it out and check if you get back to the original. If you get back to what you started with, then you know you factorized it correctly. Okay.